Eat eggs, but never make these 7 mistakes. They can be fatal. You've probably heard it for years. Eggs are the perfect food. They're packed with a protein, they build muscle, boost energy, and keep you full for hours. But what if I told you the way most people, especially seniors, eat eggs could actually increase your risk of heart disease, weaken your joints, and even raise inflammation silently in your body? That's right. Eggs are powerful, but they can be dangerous when eaten the wrong way. In this video, we're going to expose the 7 deadly egg mistakes millions of people make every morning and how to enjoy your eggs safely so they protect your heart, muscles, and brain, not destroy them. And trust me, mistake number 7 shocks even nutrition experts. Before we begin, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe to Green Health Channel if you're yet to, and remember to turn on your notification bell. Comment below, where are you watching from? I love seeing our Green Health family from all around the world. Eggs, the double-edged superfood. Eggs are one of nature's purest gifts. Just one egg contains 6 grams of complete protein, vitamin B12 for nerve and brain health, vitamin D for bone strength, choline for memory and liver function, lutein and zeaxanthin that protect your eyes from cataracts. For seniors, these nutrients help fight muscle loss or sarcopenia, memory decline, and fatigue. But here's the catch. After 50, your body changes. Your liver becomes more sensitive to cholesterol, your metabolism slows down, and your arteries become less flexible. So, while eggs can heal, they can also harm, depending on how you prepare, store, and combine them. Let's uncover the 7 common mistakes that can turn a healthy egg into a silent health hazard. Mistake number 1, frying eggs in the wrong. One of the most dangerous mistakes seniors make is frying eggs in vegetable oil, canola oil, or margarine. These oils oxidize easily under heat. When this happens, they create toxic free radicals and oxidize cholesterol, which can damage your arteries, increase your bad LDL cholesterol, and cause inflammation linked to heart disease and arthritis. Instead, use olive oil, avocado oil, or a small amount of grass-fed butter. These healthy fats protect the heart, reduce inflammation, and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K found in the yolk. Mistake number 2, eating only the whites. For decades, we were told yolks are bad and whites are good. That's one of the biggest nutrition myths still alive today. The yolk is the heart of the egg's nutrition. It contains all the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, choline, essential for brain and liver function, omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation, and most importantly, antioxidants that protect your eyes. When you throw away the yolk, you're throwing away 90% of the egg's nutrition. Plus, protein absorption is lower without the healthy fats from the yolk. So unless your doctor specifically advises against it, always eat the whole egg. Your body functions best when nature's design stays complete. Mistake number 3, eating raw or undercooked eggs. Some people, especially bodybuilders, think raw eggs are pure protein. But here's the truth. Raw eggs contain a compound called avidin, which binds to biotin, a B vitamin that supports your hair, nails, skin, and nervous system. When you eat raw eggs, your body can't absorb biotin properly, leading to possible hair thinning or skin irritation over time. Worse, raw eggs can contain salmonella bacteria, which can cause severe stomach infection, something seniors with weaker immune systems can't easily fight off. Always cook your eggs properly, soft-boiled, poached, or scrambled at low heat. That way you kill harmful bacteria and preserve the nutrients. Mistake number 4, storing eggs too long or the wrong way. Eggs might look fine after a month in the fridge, but nutrients degrade over time, especially vitamin D and omega-3 fats. Old eggs are also more likely to contain bacterial buildup, especially if stored near strong-smelling foods or in fluctuating temperatures. Here's what to do. Store eggs in a cool, consistent place, not on the fridge door. Use within 2 to 3 weeks of purchase. If the egg floats in water, it's old. Fresh eggs sink. A simple storage habit can protect your stomach and preserve egg nutrition. Mistake 5. Eating low-quality eggs. Not all eggs are created equal. Commercial eggs from factory farm chickens often contain high omega-6 fatty acids, inflammatory fats, traces of antibiotics, and very low omega-3 levels. In contrast, pasture-raised or free-range eggs have up to 3 times more omega-3s, more vitamin E and A, better taste and texture. These nutrients keep your joints supple, your heart strong, and your skin radiant. Next time you shop, look for pasture-raised, omega-3 enriched, or organic on the carton. It makes a real difference. Mistake 6. Combining eggs with processed meats. A fried egg with bacon or sausage might sound delicious, but it's a dangerous combo. When processed meats are fried, they form nitrosamines, harmful compounds linked to colon cancer and arterial damage. Plus, the salt and preservatives in these meats increase blood pressure and water retention, worsening joint pain and swelling for older adults. Instead, pair eggs with avocado or olive oil toast for healthy fats, spinach, kale, or tomatoes for antioxidants, oats or quinoa for stable blood sugar. This combination balances cholesterol, improves digestion, and supports heart health naturally. Mistake 7. Ignoring cholesterol balance. Eggs contain cholesterol, about 186 milligrams per yolk. But cholesterol isn't the villain. Oxidized cholesterol is. If you're already eating foods high in cholesterol, like butter, cheese, or red meat, and then eat fried eggs daily, your cholesterol levels may spike. The secret isn't cutting eggs. It's adding fiber and antioxidants that sweep excess cholesterol out of your system. Add foods like oats, apples, lentils, and flax seeds. They bind cholesterol and prevent buildup in your arteries. Aim for 4 to 6 eggs per week, paired with greens and whole grains for a heart-safe, muscle-building diet. The Smart Senior's Egg Routine. Here's how to enjoy eggs safely and get all the benefits. Boil, poach, or scramble gently. Avoid high heat. Pair with greens or whole grains for balance. Use olive or avocado oil. Choose organic or pasture-raised eggs. Keep them fresh and avoid overconsumption. Do this and eggs can strengthen your muscles, improve memory, and even protect your eyesight naturally. Eggs are a blessing in a shell, rich, nourishing, and healing. But when eaten wrongly, they can silently sabotage your health. Now you know the 7 mistakes to avoid, so you can keep enjoying eggs the smart, heart-healthy way. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Comment below. Like this video if you learned something new, and share it with a friend or a family member over 60 who loves eggs. Subscribe to Green Health for more natural, science-backed health tips for seniors every week. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Never forget that Green Health cares.